Hey team, let's talk about topics. We very briefly have touched on these, but I want to kind of go a little bit more in depth. So by the time you look at this on your slides, you will see a slide that says topic instruction. That is this video. So well done, you've already done step one, which is to watch the video. First of all, if I were to explain to somebody how to think of a topic or the correct topic in particular, I would tell them, if you had to summarize what a movie or a book or something was about in one word, what would it be? That's going to be your topic. So a topic is the main subject that the text is about. What is it mainly about? And then it is typically only 1 to 2 words if it's a phrase. So we will go through some examples, but if you had to boil down an entire text that you read into 1 or 2 words only, what is it mostly about? That is going to be your topic. So for example, which one of these is the correct topic for our article of the week? Refugees. Refugees are in major crisis. Almost 100 million people are displaced in some way today. Or Syria. From looking at these, we should be able to tell that 2 and 3 we can instantly cross off because they are complete sentences. These actually would be main ideas. Now we're left with 1 and 4, which fit our format. They're both only one word. Syria, however, despite being mentioned in the text, is not the main subject of what we have read. The main subject is refugees, so that one would be the correct topic. Okay, so it's one word. It actually summarizes the subject of the text. So I just want to go through one more example, and then I'm going to give you just a really slight task to practice tonight and to be prepared to share for tomorrow. This, to be honest, is my guilty pleasure song right now. I could listen to this over and over again, and I kind of do. If you haven't, do yourself a favor. James Arthur, Impossible. If you read through the lyrics, this kind of gives you a hint as well as this. So tell them all I know now, shout it from the rooftops, write it on the skyline. Here's the key line, all we had is gone now. Tell them I was happy and my heart is broken, all my scars are open. Next one, this is a line from the song My Illusion, My Mistake. So possible options for this song would be breakups or heartbreak. Either one would be okay. Breakups would be more accurate because it's more specific than heartbreak. So yes, his heart is broken. From what? The breakup. And again, we're just looking at context clues. If I had to tell you what that song was about in one word, I would say it is about breakups. So you are going to practice figuring out the topic, and you are going to just jot this down, I would say, in your planner so you are prepared. Tomorrow, I'm already telling you, you're going to need to answer this question in class. I want you to brainstorm some possible topics for your current IR book. Jot this down somewhere where you will bring it back. I will give you an example. Here is mine. This is the book I'm currently reading. It's called They Both Die at the End. Obviously, some of these are very obvious just given the title. The most obvious one is death. It is about that, believe it or not, of course. So if I had to summarize the book in one word, one of the main ideas and concepts is death, another is friendship, and the last one is courage. The best possible option of these is courage, and we're going to kind of get into those best possible answer situations. Yes, it's definitely about death. Yes, it's definitely about friendship. But mostly the deeper level idea is that the characters in the book are trying to live their very best life on their last days. So especially one of them has barely left his home, and he is going out into the world now to have this final experience. So courage is more of the deep level topic. Need a hint? I provided one for you. These are common, it says themes. That is inaccurate. They are common topics in books, so you can see if any of those would apply to you. Jot down a note of what you think the topic is in your IR book and bring that back ready to share tomorrow.